Hey guys, this is Yash Patel, your host from the channel The Verdict. So today we'll be talking about the safety ratings of the car. We'll be talking about the global NCAP safety ratings of the Indian built car. So we are only talking about all the 30 cars which were built in India and tested by our global NCAP. So let's take a deep look into it.
So let's talk about the latest car which is tested, which is the Mahindra Thar, which has scored very nicely, which is 4 stars in adult document protection and 4 stars in child document protection. The child document protection is the protection of a very small guys, not the child over 5 to 6 years. These are children who sit in the specialized small car seats. So and rate 4 stars in child document protection is a very hard thing to get, but Thar has successfully accomplished it. The other car is the Mahindra Espresso. This car falls in line with the latest Wagoner and Alto. So this is a very popular platform in India which has also scored 0 star. Matlab, which has got rejected in adult document protection and 2 stars in child document protection. This is a very bad score, and as you can see, the crash is also very bad. Now we are talking about the Granite and Neos, which has also scored not that great, with just only 2 stars in adult document protection and 2 stars in child document protection. This is not a good score in any way. Now we'll be talking about Kia Seltos. This has scored averagely, and this is again the two airbag model. If they had tested the another models of this car, this may be score higher, but it is 3 stars in adult document protection and 2 stars in child document protection. Again, as I tell you, they test the base airbag version of the car or the base variant of the car if it doesn't have the airbag as standard. This is how global and test is their cars. Tata Tiago and Tigor. Let me tell you, Tata, the Indian company, has performed very nicely in this test. It has scored 4 star in adult document protection and 3 star in child document protection. Tata, in general, all the cards of the Tata, the new cards of the Tata are very nice in performing in this test. So it is very good in that way. Now we come towards the safest car of India, which is the Mahindra XUV 300, which has scored 5 stars in adult document protection and 4 stars in child document protection. Tata Altroz. This is the second safest car in the uh, India, which is 5 stars in child idle document protection and 3 stars in child document protection. Now we'll be talking about the Suzuki Ertiga. Ertiga has done average in this test, both 3 stars child and adult document protection, which is very average, which is not that great or not very bad also. Now the Wagoner. This is the latest Wagoner, which is called also not that great. It is also poor. 2 stars in child document protection and 2 stars in adult document protection. This is a very popular car and one of the highest selling cars in India. So I think Maruti should take care of its safety more than this rating. It should be a greater rating than this. Hyundai Santro, the new Santro 2019 model, has got only 2 stars in child document protection and 2 stars in adult document protection, which is not that great again. The Dexon Redigo has got 1 star in adult document protection and 2 stars in child document protection. That is also not a great rating. The Tata Nexon, again, a very good performing car from Tata, which is 5 stars in adult document protection and 3 stars in child document protection. This is also a very safe car. Mahindra Marazzo has done 4 stars in adult document protection and 2 stars in child document protection. This is also a very safe car in adult document protection, as we can see. Suzuki Swift, the earlier model. Earlier model Suzuki Swift, which is the 2018 model year, has only got 2 stars in child document and 2 stars in adult document protection. This is also a very popular car in India running on the roads. It is discontinued in the production, but still there are a lot of Swifts going around in India, and this kind of safety is not acceptable even with the two airbag variant tested. The Vitara Brezza. This is the best car in terms of Maruti in safety protection, which is 4 stars in adult document protection and 2 stars in child document protection. Renault Logi. It has got rejected in adult document protection and 2 stars in child document protection. It has got 0 stars in adult document protection, which is a very alerting thing for all the Logi owners. This is the no airbags variant. If you have the airbags, then it may score higher, but it is not also that good. This is again the Tata Nexon, the other car tested, which has got the exact same rating, just 1 star lower because it was a 2019 model year in adult occupant protection. Duster without any airbags has got no stars or got rejected in the rating of the adult occupant protection and got only 2 stars in the child occupant protection, which is not also good. Duster with the airbag got 3 stars in adult occupant protection and 2 stars in child occupant protection, which is average in adult occupant protection and not good in child occupant protection. The Chevrolet Enjoy got rejected in adult occupant protection and got only 2 stars in child occupant protection. The Ford Aspire got 3 stars in adult occupant protection and 2 stars in child occupant protection, which is also not that great. The Tata Zest, again, the Tata is performing very nicely, got 4 stars in adult occupant protection and 2 stars in child occupant protection. Tata Zest, no airbags, got 100% rejected, got only 0 star in adult occupant and only 1 star in child occupant protection. Renault Kwid has got 1 star in both child and adult occupant protection, which is also a very, very, very bad rating. Honda Mobilio has got 0 star in adult occupant protection and 1 star in child occupant protection with no airbag version, which is also very bad. The Mobilio with the 2 airbags has got 3 star in child occupant protection and 2 star in adult occupant protection, which is also not that great. Hyundai Eon with no airbags has got 0 star in adult occupant protection and 2 star in child occupant protection. The Maruti Suzuki Eco, this is also a very popularly car used in India. It is a car used as school vans and it has got 0 star in adult occupant protection and only 2 stars in child occupant protection, which is also not that great for this car. The Celerio has got 0 stars in adult occupant protection and 1 star in child occupant protection. This is the by far the baddest rating in this in India Global NCAP. This is the Scorpio old model which has got 0 star because it had no airbags in adult occupant protection and 2 stars in child occupant protection. But yeah, with the airbag, it may have scored higher. The Renault Kwid has got 0 stars in adult occupant protection, the earlier version, and 2 stars in child occupant protection. Renault Kwid number 3 also got that same rating. They tested this car multiply because thought that it can score better, but still the score was the same. The Toyota Etios is a quite safe car, 4 stars in adult occupant protection and 2 stars in child occupant protection. Dexon Redigo also got 0 star in adult occupant protection and 2 stars in child occupant protection, which is not that great. Swift also got the same result. The 2014 model got 0 star in uh, adult occupant protection, which is very concerning to me. The Ford Figo also got only 0 star in adult document protection and 2 stars in child document protection, which is also a concerning matter. The old i10 got the same ratings, the one of the worst ratings, which was 0 star in adult document protection and 1 star in child document protection. Volkswagen Polo got 0 star in adult document protection and 3 stars in child document protection. This is also not a good rating. The Alto again got rejected. It got literally rejected in the adult document protection, which was 0 star, and 2 stars in child document protection. The Nano didn't score any of the ratings. It was 0 star in both the ratings. That is very bad. Again, it failed the test. That's why it was, I think, discontinued. The Polo 2 got 4 stars in adult document protection and 3 stars in child document protection. This was all about all the Indian cars which has been tested in this safety rating by Global NCAP, which is the standard safety rating test in India and globally also. It is a very much prominent test of safety ratings. So this is how as you can see the cars perform.
This was my video on the safety ratings of the car. If you have any thoughts, please make sure to write them on the comment section below. And if you like this video, please hit it with a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. So this is Deosh Patel signing off. Bye bye.